Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is acceptance. Pisces, what do you need to accept? What skin do you need to shed? What weight do you need to let go out off the load? Do you need to leave on the side of the road and keep on moving forward? Something's slowing you down. Something's trying to keep you from moving to your destination. Accept the things that you cannot change, and the things you can change, make sure you do change. The times that the things will be able to change in the right time, they shall. Put that into Spirit's hands. They have you in the right place at the right time. So if something does not work today, it may work tomorrow. It may work next week. Never give up. But at the same time, do not stress yourself struggling with a fight that you cannot win at this moment. You have the power to defeat certain things in certain times, certain moments when it's your moment. So right now, accept what you can accept. Let go of the other things that you can't, that do not serve you, and continue to move forward and be great. Because this is one of the final stages when you're about to blossom into your manifestation. I accept every step that life presents to me without resistance. You're willing to learn. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow. Thus, I advance in my freedom on my path to light. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.